I guess we're riding a two-stroke, guys. Woo! Let's go! Yes, sir! Woo! Oh my God! It's just a pump! It's just a pump! That is
Attention. The following video includes AI-generated clips of stunts that are not to be attempted in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. Enjoy.
What's going on today, everybody? We're here at the lot here in Wichita. Got a good turnout. Definitely quite a few people here. Yep, y'all didn't seem to like the last lot video, so I'm making another one, you know, like you do. Let's try to get them knee knocker coasters.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed, bitch? I'll show you some real speed.
Shit, brother, get your go fast shit the f out of here, bro. You about took me the f out.
Wanna see me run to that mountain and back? You wanna see me do it again?
Holy shit. Zooming through the f***ing lot like that, that's crazy. Word, brother. Oh! 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 He's still going! Oh, he got the S-Dime obstacle! Damn! Got my mask in my mouth, can't talk right. Oh, 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 oh! What a... Oh my God! Okay. One teasy going off. Okay. Okay. Ah. Right back with the pack. That was sick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The girlies took the Grom down. R.I.P. girls. Oh, WR250 time, everybody. That's what I'm talking about. I have not rode one. I really don't think I've rode one since I rode mine. Holy shit, this seat is nice and the suspension is super soft. Pop this 250 up in second though. Oh, damn. Man, your fucking suspension needs redone, dude. There you go. Hell yeah. You like that? Huh? Move it.
When we get back,
It just twist that knob right there. Yeah, go ahead, just get comfortable. I'd rather be comfortable than not comfortable. That's what I'm talking about!
This thing ain't got near the power that does, huh?
No, sir. Yeah, I like this thing a lot. You need to get your suspension done.
It doesn't bother me though.
You like it?
It doesn't bother me. Did a track day on this with Jake the Garden Snake and me last year.
You did? Really?
At the go-kart track.
Hell yeah.
He left his signature on it for me.
Damn.
But if you want to check it out, let's get it warmed up. I'm setting about 23 PSI in the rear. It's really geared low. Second gear is kind of where it's at, but you got to give it. Country dome, so it's down a little bit on the bottom end. So, but when it comes up,
Okay.
you got the power. So if you want to check her out, you're more welcome to.
Yeah, I'd love to. Sweet, what a guy. I guess we're riding a two-stroke, guys. Ooh, it's pretty smooth. Damn, I don't know what to think. This dude just pulled up to me and was like, hey, you need to ride my two-stroke. I'm like, alright. And then he goes, Jixerbra rode it last year and he scraped it. So I don't think I'll be scraping this one, bro. Might have to take the defeat on that one. But I'm just gonna give her a few warm-up laps here. Let this nice two-stroke warm up. Oh man, two-stroke on some Sumos, dude. That is so sweet. I've never rode a two-stroke on Sumos before. Okay. Woo. It really throws you back there, no engine brake. Woo. Yeah, I don't see myself scraping it. I tried. Just a little bit. Got the heebies from that. Alright. Alright. This is sick. You really gotta rev it up though. Sorry, bro. I'm rocking with the two-stroke though. I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it. Ah. Stalled her. That was so close, bro. That had to be so close.
Die on you?
Yeah, I killed it once. It was in like second gear. I thought I was in first.
Yeah.
Died. started right back up though.
But
This is a fun time. I like this.
you look really comfortable almost instantly.
Yeah, I don't got too much two-stroke experience, but
When it gets light, you know what to do.
yeah, it does get real light.
Hey man, I don't want to keep you from your
Dude, no problem, dude. I enjoyed talking to you. Thank you so much for letting me ride.
Meet you, bro.
That was awesome, bro. Where do you want her? You just want to take her? Hell yeah. Oh, she got a kickstand. Ain't much better than that, huh?
Have fun.
Hey, thank you, bro. Okay. You got it? You got it? There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. There we go. What the hell? They don't play with the hula hoop over there. What the hula hoop doing? Let's go! Yes, sir! Okay. Oh! Okay. 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 It's just a pump, bro. It's just a pump. Chill out. Oh my god. It's just a pump. It's just a pump. This poor tire. Alright, everybody, I think I'm about done for the day. I got a long trip home. I'm gonna try to make it back in a reasonable time. I had an amazing time here today in Wichita. This was a huge turnout. Hell yeah, I like the 250 limiter. This is a huge turnout, everybody. This was pretty sick. Hell yeah. I had a great time here in the great state of Kansas. But I think it's my time to get out of here. I'll see you guys later. Be safe. Stay blessed. And I'll see you next time. Peace. They came back and hit me. That bitch is f***ed up. That bitch is f***ed up. Oh! Let's get out of the way. The metal one came out looking way nicer. Ow! Yeah, it was. You can tell which one's metal. That bitch is gone.